Fresh rambutan arrives for controlled intake and traceability.
Weigh and register lot.
Certificates and harvest data are verified before release.
Wash line. Controlled tipping prevents bruising before washing. Pre-screening protects downstream equipment. Flume washing loosens soil while moving fruit forward.
Rinsing removes residual soil and wash water.
Verified sanitizer contact reduces surface microbes.
A final rinse ensures only clean fruit proceeds. Removing free water improves inspection accuracy.
Operators remove defects missed in the field.
Optical sorting standardizes raw material quality. Clean transfer protects hygiene between zones. Alignment ensures consistent downstream cutting. Trimming improves handling and hygiene. Controlled splitting separates shell from edible flesh.
Seed removal protects grinders and improves texture.
I found a piece of the shell here. Okay, got it. Make sure the separation is clean.
Size reduction prepares flesh for efficient grinding. Sterile drums are prepared for filling.
Product identity. Inspection confirms weight and seal quality. Inspected drums move to final handling. Automated palletizing improves safety and consistency.
Wrapping stabilizes loads for storage and transport. Controlled storage maintains quality before shipment. Product is loaded for outbound delivery. Creates uniform fiber powder. Sifting ensures consistent particle size. Fiber byproduct is packed for secondary use. Initial screening removes solids before treatment.
DAF clarifies water by removing fine organics.
Biology reduces remaining organic load safely.
Dewatered sludge is removed for compliant disposal. Only treated water is discharged under permit. Cleaning preparation prevents cross-contamination between lots. Alkaline washing removes organic residues.
Line release.
Lot closure completes full traceability.
Retained samples verify post-process hygiene. End-of-shift cleaning supports GMP. The rambutan run concludes under controlled conditions.
Byproduct fiber is sampled to confirm moisture and safety. Moisture control ensures stable fiber storage.
Treatment data is logged for regulatory compliance. Consumables are secured to maintain sterility. Captured solids are disposed as waste.
Swabbing verifies cleaning effectiveness.
Records confirm readiness for the next production.
The line stands ready for the next fruit run.
Final scans link pallets to shipping documents.
Documentation supports compliant export. Fiber pallets are secured for storage. Zoning prevents mix-ups between product streams.
Pre-cooling stabilizes temperature during transit.
Loads are secured to prevent movement. Seals protect integrity during transport.
Aseptic equipment is secured after use.
CCP hardware is checked to ensure future reliability.
Samples are sent for analysis.
Clean bins are segregated and stored for reuse. Bagging equipment is secured to maintain hygiene.
Customers receive shipment details for traceability. Non-essential systems are powered down safely.
Final rinse checks confirm no residual chemicals.
Confirm conductivity.
Filter tests ensure aseptic integrity for future runs. Clear handover maintains operational continuity.
Performance indicators summarize the completed run.
Byproduct recovery and waste treatment are documented. Lessons reinforce GMP.